Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search on your phone. This innovative feature allows you to quickly find information about anything on your screen with a simple gesture. We'll cover the initial setup, how to perform a search, and what kinds of results you can expect. Get ready to enhance your mobile searching experience and make finding information effortless. To begin, navigate to your phone's settings menu. Look for options related to display, navigation bar, or gestures. Once found, enable the Circle to Search feature. Now, whenever you want to search, simply long press your home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. A visual cue will appear, indicating the feature is active and ready for your input. With Circle to Search activated, simply draw a circle around any image, text, or object on your screen that you want to learn more about. The system will intelligently process your selection, identifying key elements. Almost instantly, relevant search results will appear at the bottom of your screen, allowing you to explore further without interrupting your current activity. It's a seamless way to get information. For the best results, try to circle specific items rather than broad areas. If you're looking for information about text, you can also highlight it before circling. Remember, the goal is to provide the system with clear input. The search results often include images, product links, and related articles, offering a comprehensive overview. This feature truly streamlines your mobile research.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.